Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. This is your boy Polo with Polo Fields Lawn Service. I hope that you all are having a blessed day today. Now, in this video, what I want to show you all is my front lawn and how I have a money green lawn in the summertime. We've been getting brutal temperatures, high 80s, in the 90s, heat index in the upper 90s, heat index in the hundreds. I mean, it's been a brutal summer. But with this cool season line, we're hanging on, we're pushing through, and we're still holding color in this line. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video, and I'm gonna show you all what my line looks like in July. Let's get into the video. As you can see, this grass has a dark green color to it, and that's why I call it money green. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, hey man, what are you putting on your line? What are you doing to it? Let me just give you a couple of things. Number one, I have a cool season lawn, which is a tall fescue and a bluegrass mix. I'm cutting my grass as high as I can cut it with my push mower, which is 4 1/4. Number two, I'm making sure that my blades are sharpened. You don't want to cut your grass with a dull blade while you're in the summertime because the heat is already stressing your grass out. The dull blade, that will stress your grass out even more. And make sure you get up under your mower, check your blade and see if it needs to be sharpened. Don't always go off of what someone says when they tell you to sharpen your blades this many times or that many times. Check on your own self. If it needs sharpened, go ahead and sharpen that thing. If you have a cool season grass, your grass is going to get cut multiple times a week in the spring and in the fall time, depending on how it grows. If you have a warm season grass, you're going to do more cutting in the summertime. So get up under your mower, check your blade. Another thing I've been doing is I've been watering my grass. I've been giving my grass 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water per week. We have been in the upper 80s, the middle 90s, and the heat index has just been all over the place. So it's been extremely hot. We haven't been getting that much rain, which means I needed to water my grass, and that's what I've been doing. Another thing that I've been doing is I've been giving it a fungicide. I did get hit with a fungus last year, so I made sure I stayed on top of it this year so that I kept a fungus out of my lawn. Now remember, a fungus can tear your lawn up if you don't take care of it. I got plenty of videos on those. You can check those videos out, and I hope those things will be able to help you out as well. Now, last but not least, what I've been putting on my lawn. What I've been putting on my lawn is this. I've been putting down some... I ain't gonna tell you yet. I ain't gonna tell you yet, man. You're gonna have to wait until the last video, the recap video, and that's when I'll be able to tell you what I've been putting on my lawn. I'm going to tell you everything in that video, what I've been feeding it, how many times I've been feeding it, and what I've been putting down at certain times of the year. I'm telling you, it's going to shock you. It's going to blow your socks off when you find out what I've been putting on this lawn to keep it money green all year. Stay tuned and make sure that you check out that video when I put it up. Hey, I can't give you everything, but I will at the end of the year, so that you can be able to take some of those notes and techniques and everything that I've done, and maybe you can be able to apply some of those things to your life. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump off of here, and y'all know that catchphrase: one thing's for sure, two things for certain. Just know that we working. Peace.